Dear all, in this session we are going to discuss about quicker max. Big square root, inside 20, inside the square root, again another square root and 20, minus square root of 20, minus square root of 20. This goes to infinity. In this question we have square root, a big square root of 20 plus inside a square root plus inside a square root. This sequence goes to up to infinity. What is the answer? We want to get the answer within 1 second of time. I can write this 20 as the product of two consecutive numbers. That is 20 is equal to 4 into 5. That is the product of two consecutive integers. So the answer of this is 4. Now, instead of minus, in this question, this is plus, and this goes to up to infinity. Then the answer is 5. Okay, that is in general, I have square root of x minus square root of x minus square root of x goes to up to infinity. Here that's the same question, but instead of minus we are making use of plus. So what is the answer? If it is possible to write x is a positive integer, x is equal to n into n plus 1, where n is an integer. So n into n plus 1 is a product of two consecutive integers. So the answer for this question, that is here it is minus comes, minus is equal to n, that is the smallest of this consecutive integer. Then here it is plus, then answer is n plus 1, that is the largest of these consecutive integers. So we require only 1 second to solve this problem. Okay, we can practice some more problem, right? So based on the above principle, we are going to do some problems. Look at the first problem. Square root of 6 minus square root of 6 minus square root of 6. This goes to up to infinity. So we can write 6 as a product of two consecutive integers. So we can write 6 as 6 is equal to 2 into 3. This is a product of two consecutive integers. So our answer is the smallest of this integer, that is 2. So A is the correct option. Look at this question. Square root of 12 minus square root of 12 minus square root of 12. So we can write 12 as a product of two consecutive integers. That is 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So the answer is A. That is the smallest of the consecutive integer. Now look at this question. Square root of 30 minus square root of 30 minus square root of 30 minus up to goes to infinity. So we can write 30 is equal to 5 into 6. That is the product of two consecutive integers. So answer is smallest of this, that is 5. So correct option is C. Now look at this question. Square root of 42 minus square root of 42 minus square root of 42 minus up to infinity. We can write 42 is equal to 6 into 7. So answer is 6. This problem is a division problem. That is square root of 72 minus square root of 72 minus square root of 72 up to infinity. This divided by square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus square root of 20. So 72 we can write 72 is equal to 8 into 9. And 20 we can write 4 into 5. So this is a division. So the first term we can write as 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So the answer is C. Look at the last question. Square root of 132 minus square root of 132 minus this sequence goes to infinity. We can write 132 is equal to 11 into 12. So the answer is A, that is 11. Okay, instead of this minus, let this is plus. Then what is the answer? We can write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So the answer is largest of the integer. So answer is 3. Now this one 12 plus goes on. So answer is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. The largest is 4. So the answer is B. Now 30 plus 30, square root of 30 plus goes on. So we can know that 30 is equal to 5 into 6. So largest of this number is 6. So answer become A. Now look at this question. 42, square root of 42 plus. Okay, right. We can write 42 is equal to 6 into 7. So the largest of this is 7. So answer becomes 7. Now look at this question, 72. We can write 72 is equal to 8 into 9 and 20 is equal to 4 into 5. So the largest of this number is 9 and smallest is 8. So I am changing this plus to plus. Here also plus. So answer become, this time become 9 divided by 5. So answer is 9 by 5. That is not given in the option. So we can change this option is equal to 9 by 5. So this is the correct answer. Now the last question, the minus is converted to plus. So 132 can be written as 11 into 12. So the answer is the largest of the consecutive number, 12. So the correct answer is B. In the next session we will discuss some more trick in the QUADRATIC mathematics. Okay, bye.